Hello, my name is Sujin, and today I will tell you about my two artworks, my sculpture artwork and my big picture for the Open Studio this December. The first artwork is this sculpture, and it is she, not he, and it has 6 eyes, but you can't see the 3 eyes because the 3 eyes are blocked by this hair. And it has 2 arms and doesn't have legs. It has a diamond on its chest, and has a kind of sword. And in the back, there's a monster named Oni in Japanese, and it has jewels on it and has a big armor. And it can make person into sleep and has a loss of power. Just this punch. And there's the angel, and it's from heaven. It is a girl and has a wing and can use magic also. And there's the devil from the hell. It has 2 eyes, but one is blocked by the hair like the monster. And on the left hand, it has a kind of sword on its finger and can use magic too. It has a wing too, and it's a boy. And in the middle, there's a bird from the heaven, but it doesn't die. So in Korean, we named it 불사조. It means not dying bird. And there's people and the building that all the people lives. And some of the peoples are inside, but the other people are outside to see the war. But I think 4 or 5 people died because of the war from the devil. Thank you for listening to my speech.